Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika. Today I am here to do a very quick review on this beautiful unit I'm wearing. So if you would like to see me install her and all the details about this beauty, please keep on watching. It comes in the box in this pack like so. You also get a free silk headband that you can tie your edges down with. And you get the wig cap in here as well. And this comes with a beautiful silk scalp. This is the only lace that you get on this. This makes it look more realistic, like scalp, so you don't have to do much. You get 3 combs, one in the back and 2 on the side right above the air tab to secure the unit. And this scalp just looks so good. I used the wig cap that this came with. I always hook the combs in the front on the 2 sides. Yeah, I love silk lace wigs. I really do. They're so pretty. And this is just how, let me just bring it forward a bit more. This is how the parting space is looking. Really, really lovely. I really love how this parting space is looking. And this. So pretty. The texture of the hair is just really, really beautiful. When I get straight hair, I like to wear straight hair straight. If I want wavy hair, I get wavy hair. So I'm not gonna be curling this one at all. If anything, I'm gonna be trying to see how straight I can get this one. And this is just the side that I use my hot comb on. You see how beautiful this side is laying, and this is the side that I didn't do anything to yet. The hot comb. So I'm gonna use the back of it just to flatten this area so you don't have that hump on your head that I know we all don't like that. And I feel like when you use a hot comb on this area, it's more defined. Like you can see, it's more defined in that area, which is really, really nice. And then I'll just comb through it a bit. It sits really, really lovely. And you see how lovely the hair is. This is really, really nice volume. As I do like dark hair, I wanted to put a little pop of color. If you're used to my channel, you know I usually wear a lot of black hair. But this is nice for something for the summer. I do intend to do a whole lot more hair videos also on my channel, as I love hair as well. And like my promise at the beginning of this year was to share my new products with you. So I am definitely gonna keep that promise and share my hair purchases with you as well, as I love shopping. But this is 20 inches. I am about 5'7", and it reached me right here under the booties. I just wanted to share this purchase with you and just show you how beautiful the hair is. Really, really lovely. So beautiful. I really love this one. And if you see how the top, it lays really, really flat. And I didn't even braid my hair down. What I did was I put my hair in 2 twists in the front and 2 twists in the back, and then I connected them in the back and put it in a ponytail, and then put my wig cap on as you saw at the beginning, and then pop this beauty on. I didn't do anything at all to the point space. I didn't do anything to the hairline either. I just took some of the hair that was already there and just did baby hairs so it can blend better. You guys see how lovely this hair is. Really, really nice. And you see I did nothing but use my hot comb and flatten the top right here to make the point space more defined, which is really, really lovely. Like, the hair is really beautiful. I love the hair texture. I love how straight it is and easy to work with. I feel like the cap is big head friendly. Like, if you have a lot of hair and you're wondering if it's gonna work out for you, this is gonna be fine. If it's super comfortable, and I did use the 2 combs in the front to secure the unit and also the comb in the back. And like I showed you at the beginning, I used the same stocking cap that came in the package. Also came with this silk head wrap. I feel like this is like so. Really, really beautiful. I feel like this is perfect for if you want to tie down your edges, or if you want to just tie your hairline down, like if you're going to bed and you're one of them people who just tie your hairline down, or if you want to tie your edges down, this is perfect for that. That's how this unit is looking. I purchased this one from on Amazon. I am gonna leave the direct link in the description box. And like I said, I have many, many more hair reviews to come, as I did order some new hair for the spring and summer, so I intend to share those units with you guys. And this is really, really a good purchase, guys. If you're looking for something that's smooth and soft, if you like to wear your hair straight, this is an amazing, amazing texture for that. Here, if you love burgundy, this is such a beautiful color. I feel like this hair color is really, really pretty for the spring, for the summer. And this is super comfortable, guys. It's not uncomfortable on my head at all. It isn't any pull. My head feels really, really comfortable. If there's anything that I didn't mention about this unit, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.